Alright, welcome back guys. Before I do begin the video, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It does help me out a lot, and without further ado, let's get into it. So what is HTML? So Alejandra knows that the first step of building a website is learning HTML. Now, why HTML? So HTML is the skeleton of all web pages. It provides structure to the content on a website, including text, images, buttons, videos, and more. HTML is a practical place to start learning to code. You can build basic websites after learning just a little HTML with text, images, and videos. You can always open up your work in progress website with your browser and see what you're building. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In the next few exercises, we'll look at how HTML acronym word by word to unpack what HTML really means. So for right now, let's go ahead and look at the HTML code, and some of the parts of the language are pretty intuitive. See if you can figure out how anything works. If not, don't worry, we'll explain it soon. So let's go ahead and take a look at this code real quick. So right here, we can see an H1. I'm guessing this is heading 1, why learn HTML, and on the right side it says why learn HTML as well. So I'm guessing this is for like titles, right? And then we have a P, which I'm guessing it stands for paragraph, and then it gives a little brief description. Then an IMG, I'm guessing this is in the image, and yeah, that looks like this image right here. And then I see another P, so P is just for regular text. I think it's just paragraph, so it doesn't have to be a paragraph, it can be anything. And then we see UL, so I'm not too sure what UL means, underline, or I'm not sure what it means because I don't see any underlined text here. LI, I'm guessing this means list because there's a bunch of bullet points. So HTML is used by web developers, marketers, content creators, entrepreneurs, and many more. Yes, I guess UL is just to contain the package of bullet points. I'm guessing that's what it is. But yeah, that's gonna end this video here. We explored a little bit about what HTML was. In the next videos, we'll be doing something more hands-on. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.